Welcome to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a job card for a corporate or a fleet company. From the dashboard, let's open a new job card. Let's enter the vehicle details and the customer concerns. Once these details have been entered, we will now be adding the corporate or fleet company details. Click on the plus icon to add the corporate or fleet company information. If you have already entered the details earlier, just by entering a couple of characters, you can see the drop-down with a list of companies related to those characters. Select from the drop-down and you can see all the fields will be auto-populated. After you have closed the pop-up, you can see the customer name, mobile number and email address are auto-populated. All you need to do now is select the estimated date of delivery. In the last section, if you have received any advance amount from the customer, that can be entered here. We will now click on Prepare Estimation now and go to the estimation page. Let's quickly enter parts and its related service for the estimation. To create the invoice, I will have to first issue the parts. I will quickly issue the parts, assuming that the parts are in stock. To issue the parts, we will click on Parts from the bottom left of the page and then click on Issue. Here, you can see all the parts that were entered in the estimation screen. You can see the quantity on hand, requested quantity, issued quantity, pending quantity, and the selling price. All you have to do is enter the issue quantity as per the requested quantity and click on Issue. As you can see, once the parts are issued, the serial number of that part turns to green. And if I place the cursor on the serial number, it shows part issued. Now the parts are issued, you can go ahead and create the invoice or add more parts if required and repeat the process. Assuming that the technician has completed his job on the vehicle and is ready for invoicing, all you need to do is click on Job Done and then click on Create Invoice. The bill number is now visible on the top right of the screen. To enter the payment that you have received from the customer, click on Collections at the bottom left of the screen. You can enter the mode of payment and their details and click on the plus icon. You can also print the payment receipt. You can see that the balance has now moved to paid. To take a print of the invoice, click on the print icon from the bottom of the page and click on Customer Invoice. You can see that the invoice is generated in the name of the corporate or the fleet company. Similarly, if you wish to email the invoice to the corporate or fleet company, just click on the email icon that is right beside the print icon. If the email address of the customer was entered earlier while creating the job card, the email will be sent automatically. If not, you will get a pop-up to enter the email address of the customer. Now all you need to do is close the job card. You have successfully created a corporate or a fleet job card and created the invoice as well. Thank you for watching.